Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roof repairs? You're in the right place. Roof issues can be stressful, but finding affordable roof repair options in Salt Lake City doesn't have to be. First off, let's cover the top 3 mistakes people make when looking for roof repairs. Mistake 1 is failing to get a precise roof repair estimate. Many underestimate costs and end up facing unexpected bills. To avoid this, always obtain a detailed roof repair quote Salt Lake City to ensure you know what to expect. This way, you're financially prepared for your roofing project. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions. One common question is, what is the cost for roof repair, Salt Lake City? Prices can vary depending on the extent of damage and materials required. Typically, costs can range significantly based on these factors. It's best to communicate openly with contractors during the process to understand your options. Another big question is about the lifespan of materials used. Most roofs can last between 20 and 30 years with proper maintenance, but local climate does play a role. Wrapping it up, if you need roof repair, remember, don't compromise on quality. Call us now at 385-300-1135 for your affordable roof repair, Salt Lake City. Check out our website, allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com. We're ready to help with your roofing issue.